Welcome back guys to another video. Today this is the update. This is the update of the M16, alright? So I added this. So like the side. Like that. Okay? So imagine it. Now I made it in like and like that. So I made the magazine thingy right here. I think and I fall. And I think maybe next time I will I will get more. Ooh, we got some banana chips, my favorite, especially when they're not.
Yung visit nito lang po yung
Hi.
aming handa. Ito mga palinan na sa
So,
regalo pa na regalo ko dito. Ano yan? Bigay niya yan sa'yo? Oo. Kaka, mayroon din eh. Nagulong ko. Ito yung nagulong ko sa exchange.
There you go.
Hindi ako nanalo sa panalo.
Yeah, this is what I'm always wanting.
Wala natira pero ang dami mong balot.
Kakanin.
Yan yung walang tira. Pero ang dami mong balot.
So that is the update on the M16.
Visit, walang kwenta yung ni cartoon.
This. The small details. But stay tuned.